I am R.P. Tripathi, Professor Mathematics, KNIT Sultanpur. My topic of this lecture is Introduction, Measure of Central Tendency. And what do you mean by measure of central tendency? Introduction, meaning of measure of central tendency. The numerical value of an observation around which most numerical value of the other observation in the data set show a tendency to cluster or group called a central tendency. The method of computing this central value is called measure of central tendency. The various measure of central tendency commonly used can be broadly classified in the following categories: mean, first mean, second median and third mode. Mean is also called mathematical averages. A part arithmetic mean or simply mean. Simple mean is classified into two ways: simple and weighted. Second, geometrical mean, and third, harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean, there are three types of mean. First, arithmetic mean for ungrouped data, arithmetic mean for grouped data, for continuous series and discrete series also. And there are two methods to find arithmetic mean: direct method and second shortcut method. Direct method, if x1, x2 and so on xn represent the value of n observations, the arithmetic mean of n observations is x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus so on xn divided by n is equal to 1 by n summation I varying from 1 to n xi. Geometrical mean is equal to x1 into x2 and so on into xn raised power 1 by n, and harmonic mean is equal to n by summation I varying from 1 to n 1 by xi. Example, in a survey of 5% companies, the profit in rupees log earned during a year was 15, 20, 10, 30, 35 and 32. Find the arithmetic mean of the profit earned. X bar is equal to 1 by n summation I varying from 1 to 5, because number of observations are 5. It is equal to 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 35 plus 32 divided by 5. Adding numerator, we get 112 by 5 and it is equal to 22 by 22 minus 4. Shortcut method for finding arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. X bar is equal to a plus summation 1 by n 1 by n summation I varying from 1 to n di, where di is equal to xi minus a, and a is the assumed mean. Assumed mean for grouped data, discrete and continuous series. In a discrete and continuous series, frequency is also given. X bar is equal to summation summation I varying from 1 to n small n fxi xi divided by capital N, where capital N is the sum of frequencies, where n is the total number of observations. Geometrical mean is equal to x1 raised power f1 into x2 raised power f2 and so on xn raised power fn whole raised power 1 by capital N. Harmonic mean for grouped data is capital N divided by summation I varying from 1 to n fi into 1 by xi. Shortcut method of arithmetic mean for grouped data. X bar is equal to a plus 1 by capital N summation I varying from small n fi di, where di is equal to xi minus ai and capital N is equal to sum of frequency means summation I varying from 1 to n Fi. Example of a groupoid data. The daily earning in rupees of working on a daily basis in the firm are daily earning in rupees 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, number of employees 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Calculate the average daily earning of all employees. Solution: summation x bar is equal to 1 by capital N Fi xi, where capital N is equal to summation I varying from 1 to n Fi. Here f multiplying 2 into 50, 2 is the frequency, 50 is the value, 2 into 50 plus 3 into 60 plus 5 into 70 plus 7 into 80 plus 8 into 90 divided by sum of frequencies 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8, it is equal to 100 plus 180 plus 350 plus 560 plus 720 divided by 25. It is equal to the sum of numerator and denominator is equal to 1910 divided by 25, and it is equal to 76.4. Thus, the average daily earning for all employees is rupees 76.40. Weighted arithmetic mean. Weight is nothing but it is credit for students. If x1, x2 and so on xn represent the value of n observations and w1, w2 and so on wn be the corresponding weights, a weighted mean of n observations is x w bar is equal to x1 w1 plus x2 w2 plus so on xn wn divided by w1 plus w2 and so on wn. It is equal to summation I varying from 1 to n xi wi divided by summation wi. Example: in an examination, the marks obtained by a candidate out of 100 in each subject is given below. Marks 60, 62, 55, 67, weight 4, 3, 2, 1, and subjects are mathematics, physics, chemistry and English. Calculate the weighted arithmetic mean. Solution: x w bar is equal to 4 into 60, 4 is weight, 60 is marks, plus 3 into 62 plus 2 into 55 plus 1 into 67 divided by sum of weights means 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and it is equal to 240 plus 186 plus 110 plus 67 divided by 10. It is equal to 603 by 10 equal to 60.3, means weighted mean of this example is 60.3. Second, median for ungroupied data. Median, what do you mean by median? Median gives the divides a series into two equal parts. Median for ungroupied data, in case of the data is arranged in ascending or descending order in magnitude. If the number of observation n is odd, then the median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th observation in the data array. If the number of observation n is even, then the median is equal to value of the average of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th observation in the data array. Example: for ungroupified data. Calculate the median from the following data: 3.5, 4.5, 3.3, 3.8, 5.0, 5.5 and 4. We have to arrange the given data into ascending order, and we have 7 items 3.5, 4.5, 3, 3.8, 5, 5.5 and 4. We arrange the given data into ascending order. 4 is the median. 4 is the median because the given data is in odd numbers. Example 2, calculate the median from the following data: 10, 12, 15, 20, 13, 24, 18, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Data is an even number. So, we arrange the given data into ascending order. The average of the two middle terms is the median of the given example. Median for groupified data, it is the main for a student point of view. Median for groupified data: L plus n by 2 by Cf minus Cf divided by f into h, where L is the lower limit of the median class, Cf cumulative frequency of the class prior to the median class, f is the frequency of median class, h is the width of the median class, n is the sum of frequencies. Example, find the median from the following data: interval 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20. Frequency is 13, 29, 48, 22 and 8. Solution: interval, we arrange the given data into column form. First column given in the interval, frequency is given in the second column, and cumulative frequency is given in the third column. Interval 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20. Frequency, corresponding frequencies are 13, 29, 48, 22, 8. Cumulative frequency 13, 42, 90, 112 and 120. The last cumulative frequency is the sum of frequency. Capital N is equal to sum of frequency is equal to 120, n by 2 half of the total frequency 60, n by 2, since n by 2 lies in the cumulative frequency 90, hence the median class is 8 to 12 and the corresponding frequency is 48, and preceding cumulative frequency is above 90 is 42. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h, and it is equal to the lower class of median class is 8. Median class is 8. It is the median class. Lower class of the median class is 8. Hence L is 8. Hence L is 8. N by 2 means half of the total frequency minus Cf divided by f into h. 60 minus 42 divided by 48 into 4 is the interval, means 8 plus 1.5 is equal to 9.5. The third part of the measure of central tendency is the mode. The mode is that value which occurs most frequently in the data set, that is the point with the highest frequency. Mod for groupified data. Mod is equal to L plus f0 minus f minus 1 divided by 2 into f0 minus f minus 1 minus f1 into h, where L is the lower limit of the mode class, f minus 1 frequency of the class preceding the mod class. F 0 here f 0 is the frequency of mod class, f 1 frequency of the class following the model class, h is the width of the model class. It is the formula for finding mod of the groupoid data. Example, find the mod of a discrete series. Discrete series value 10, 12, 15, 25, 30 and 50, frequency 5, 15, 20, 40, 10 and 8. We arrange the given data into ascending order. Since data is already arranged in the ascending order, the ascending order, the maximum frequency is 40. The maximum frequency is 40. Hence, model maximum frequency is 40. The corresponding value is 25. Hence, mod is 25. Second example, it is the example of the groupoid data of a continuous series, means we have to use formula. Calculate the mod of a continuous series, interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, frequency 4, 26, 22, 10 and 9. Solution, it is, since it is a continuous series, formula is applicable. Mod is equal to L plus f 0 minus f minus 1 divided by 2 f 0 minus f minus 1 minus f 1 into h. Here maximum frequency is 26, hence it is the mod, and corresponding class is 20 to 40, hence model class is 20 to 40. Since 20 to 26 is the maximum frequency, model corresponding interval is 20 to 40, hence model class is 20 to 40. Lower limit is 20, lower middle of the lower limit of the median model class is 20. f 0 is frequency previous of this, means 26, 20, it is the it is the f minus 1 and it is the f 1, means 26, it is 26 minus 4 divided by 2 into f 0, 2 into f 0 minus this, means 26 into 2, 40, 52 minus 4 minus 22 into length of interval is 20, it is 20, it is equal to 20 plus, solving this we get numerator is 220 divided by 13, means result is 36.92, 36.92. Mod is the value where the maximum frequencies are concentrated, mod of the discrete series, mod of the discrete series. In mod of a discrete series, we arrange the given data into ascending order or descending order, and we take the maximum frequency, and maximum frequency corresponding to maximum frequency is taken, and the value of the value with with maximum frequency is the mod. Here in this example we have shown that 40 is the maximum frequency, the corresponding value is 25, hence mod is 25. Here yes, median we want to revise it. Calculate the median from the following data: 3.5, 4.5, 3, 3.8, 5, 5.5 and 4. Here minimum number is 3, the next number is 3.5, 3.8, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. Here middle term means median divides the whole series into two equal parts, means we have 7 numbers 3.5, 4.5, 3, 3.8, 5.0, 5.5 and 4. So, we have to arrange the given data into ascending order. The first minimum number is 3, 3.5, 3.8, 4.5, 5, 5.5. The middle term is, the middle value is 4, hence median is 4. Here second, calculate the median from the following data. It is since 10, 12, 15, 20, 13, 24, 17 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Here lower limit, here 8 in numbers, number is even, hence we arrange the given data into ascending order. The average of the two middle terms is 15 and 17, 10 is the minimum value, 12, 10, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18 and 20. It is the arrangement of the ascending order. Two middle terms 15 and 17, the average of two middle terms is 15 plus 17 by 2 means 16, means the result of the second example is 16. We have already shown if the number of observations are in even number, then the median is equal to the average of nth n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th item, this. Here the various measure of central tendency, arithmetic mean, median and mode. Mode means most frequency are concentrated around the point is said to be a mode. And how to find the mode of a discrete individual series. Suppose data is given, repeated number is maximum, then this maximum number is said to be mode. Here arithmetic mean for ungrouped data means individual numbers, as like weight of students, height of student, these are individual. Adding all weights of a class, weight of the student of a class divided by the number of class, it is the individual arithmetic mean of the given data. We have already shown that the arithmetic mean of the individual series. Shortcut, we have already discussed the shortcut method of the individual series and grouped data and ungrouped data. Discrete series, and what do you mean by discrete series? Discrete series means numbers, points and frequencies are given. Points and frequencies are given means x is equal to 10, 20 and so on. Frequencies are, corresponding frequencies are given. And continuous series, what do you mean by the continuous series? Continuous series means interval and frequencies are given. The formula, 5% companies, the profit in a survey of 5 cement companies, the profit in rupees earned during a year was 15, 20, 10, 35 and 32. Find the arithmetic mean of the profit earned. Solution: the mean is is equal to 1 by n summation I varying from 1 to 5 x I, it is equal to 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 35 plus 32 by 5, because there are 5 observations, 5 items divided by 5. The sum of numerator is 112 divided by 5, it is equal to 22 by 4, 22 minus 4 0.4 means average is 22.4. We have already discussed the shortcut method of arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means individual series. Individual series means x bar is equal to A is the assumed mean plus 1 by n summation I varying from 1 to n summation I is equal to 1 to small n di, where di is equal to xi minus a, where a is the assumed mean. Arithmetic mean for grouped data, discrete and continuous. We have already discussed what do we mean by discrete series. Discrete series means countable series, means countable numbers. Series containing the countable numbers 10, 12, 13, 14, these are the discrete series. Continuous means there is no break in the process, is said to be continuous process or continuous series. That series containing no break is said to be continuous process. Means in continuous process interval is must for given. If not given, we have to manage the interval. Let n be the total number of observations. Geometrical mean, and how to find the geometrical mean for grouped data. X1 raised power f1 into x2 raised power f2 and so on, xn raised power fn, total raised power 1 by capital N, where capital N is the sum of frequency, and harmonic mean is equal to 1 by n divided by summation I is equal to 1 to n fi under bracket 1 by xi. Shortcut method for arithmetic mean for grouped data we have already discussed. A is the assumed mean summation this fi di, where n capital N is the sum of frequency, di is the xi minus a. Here daily earning in rupees of working of on a daily basis in a firm or daily earning rupees 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, number of employee this. Calculate the average, we have already discussed. We write the formula, numerator in the numerator 2 into 50 plus 3 into 60 plus 5 into 70, 7 into 80 plus 8 into 90 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. It is numerator is 100 plus 180 plus 350 plus 560 plus 720 divided by 25. 1910 is the sum of numerator divided by 25. It is 1910 by 25, it is equal to 76.4. Hence, the average earning for all employees is 76.4. Weighted mean, weighted means credit of students. Here we have already discussed, it is the formula for finding weighted mean, x1 into w1 plus x2 into w2 and so on, plus xn into wn divided by w1 plus w2 plus so on, summation xi plus wi into wi divided by summation wi. We have already given the example, marks, weights and subjects. Calculate the arithmetic mean. Weights means credit, marks into weights divided by weights, it is the arithmetic mean. Median is the value which divides a whole series into two equal parts. For individual series, we arrange the given data into ascending order or descending order. The mid value, the midpoint or mid value is said to be the median of that class for odd numbers. In even numbers, we have to choose the average of two middle terms. Median for group-wide data. Group-wide data means frequency is given, median for group-wide data, lower group-wide data means continuous series. It is the example of a continuous series. It is the formula for finding of a continuous series. Mode, it is also a formula for finding the mode of a continuous series. We have already discussed and we have already given the example for discrete series and continuous series. Thanks.